And then because of a break of structure and a change of character. Break of structure and a change of character. And then a coin of the first will be identifying our chart in this way. And I said there will be to my trading our chart in this way. So straightforward the uncle video. They can break of structure and after change of character. And there traders be use the predictive market in direction we are marketing echo. Now first of all, my uncle practical aspect, na yembra chart so let me show how it's here. Intimidate line bet show how a break of structure and change of character here. If you want to man near bad chart so near bet show how be identify no and na uhu bibia then I'll be mamin fa way and share here na line ya uhu wa see no ejina ho ma price ejina ho ma den me say ejina ho ma price enti when I say price a drop from a slow neighbor from here ako if you see I could do slow if you see no about from here e be do from what see so what you see I see no your friend is swing low I see your friend is swing low a slow I see no your friend is swing high I see we air swing low for way 2 3 a slow air swing high until a bra price be move from swing high ako break swing low no your friend is break or structure. Price moving a break swing lower. The friend break or structure in a downtrend. The market in a drop here. Until we share market in a drop, eba from a break I see a low. A break low the friend break or structure and then because market in a drop and a break low. A call the same direction and a break low. Until a dropping original trend a down price in a dropping. And then a price need a breaking low way into a friend a break of structure. A breaking low way a break of structure. A push it from here and every breaking low a break of structure. A push it course run or some push it by form every breaking low way break of structure. Yefa I have an example, but their price a rise across run. We see a different example. What shall I say now? Marketing a day, marketing a cost row. Marketing a cost row. It is a marketing a cost row. That's a price movie. Me say high low, high swing low, high swing low, high swing high, high swing high. In the market air cost roll not a price pushy. They break it swing high, be a called the original directional a break of structure. What I say, and a break of structure be identity because I break it high by calling original direction. If any break of structure. Now you change of character say can change of character so change of character and my price a reverse to the negative or opposite direction. When the price air drop the price air dropping as it do some area like this say that's a price in push it from there and they break it high we are then say a change of character break of structure price air breaking to the downside and breaking up the moment that price in be push it from down here every push I could break it high and you say a change of character. In the other time, the change of character happen now. Price reverse it to the negative direction. If I say example here, price I push it down, up, down, break of structure, up, down, break of structure, up, down, break of structure. The moment that price be push it, I see, I push it up, I break it high, see a change of character, down, up, break of structure, down, up, break of structure. The moment the price will push it down, up, down, change of character. I push it, I break it low. And this it's a difference between break of structure and a change of character. And see, I call life example. Then how we identify our chart. Just like the Akan was MCC. Price a push it from here, I perform. Price a downtrend, a perform our AC. Until now, you identify break of structure and a change of character. Until I say swing high, then the kind swing low. The price not push it from here. Swing high, swing low. And the I say break of structure. Okay, break of structure, and then the price I push it from here. I could do swing high. I push it. I be do I say the low way break of structure, and then the break of structure, and then into another low. And then I push it from her. I push it swing high. Swing high. I push it from swing high about low. The answer is a break of structure. break of structure. It's another swing low near another swing low na price I create to I push it from here, I could swing high, I break it swing low into a break of structure. Make sure how I'll be trading, how I'll be finding out with the strategy I'll be trading into the investor on say follow channel insanity break of structure. Now I heard the same thing, a price I push it from here, I could show a high swing low in price I push it, I could show I say as I drop it, I break it low way into hands a break of structure. Price I break it, a break it and a break of structure. Into the current swing low no, and I has it swing low na make no, and I has it swing low no, and I had swing high. But where I say price is push it from here, I break it swing high no, into I say no, and if any change of character, price I break it high no, in the high change of character, because I'm a price no, I'm a trend that's a cost change of character happen now. Then price push it from here. Change of character happen here and price push it from here. High, low. I break it high no into a break of structure. And then a break of structure. Price push here, as I be drew high, new low, high. Price I push it, I break it high no. It has a now as a break of structure. Okay, now I has a and a new low no, and a new high no. Price I push it all the way, I break it the low. So it has a change of character, and I happen when I see change of character. Change of character happen now. Then you expect for more sales. The same thing happen when change of character and see one marketing arise here. They say the same thing. You're not change of character. Has it. Area way. You're not change of character. Area way. Has it. Change of character happen there. That means say or say expecting more sales. Price started drop it. But for example, into when a low, when a swing low. The change of character happen there. I was surprised. I push it from here. The baby swing low. We need breaking the core. Into market right now you're selling market into my senior man my senior we signal group when they say sell my senior signal group when they say my telegram my telegram into my telegram my senior group when they say sell based on the same they make sure na into we signal group when they my senior man sell GBP USD. And then I want trade signal into your NIPA 182. Made the link never to comment section on them. Over on join here, there's any free signals. Well, into now, yes, sell price from here. I'm an up down. Made the signal no more man of panel. The more signal none of panel. I see. The price head drop it. You're in profit a crack. Well, into sanity, break of structure and change your character. Sanity, guys. Into follow page, you know. Make sure how all the analysis now trading the market in the right way. And guys, I'll see you guys on next video.